It's FC Barcelona and Paris in the finals of the UEFA Champions League. Let's see, will Messi win his fifth Champions League trophy? Hey guys, it's Gaming here with the most devastating news of all time with Messi leaving Barcelona. Yeah, Messi is leaving Barcelona, and it has been quite a shocking news for all the footballing world, especially for the Barcelona fans. Like, what can we say? Heard the Messi's conference last afternoon. It was so much devastating to see the legend cry and how much he has done for the club and how much he wanted to stay, but he couldn't due to the financial fair play of La Liga and all the other stuff. He couldn't. It was the worst day for the Barcelona fan. It was. But Messi has to move on, everyone has to move on, and PSG are the front runners for signing Messi, and they will sign Messi. I've heard the rumors, the transfer rumors of Messi being to PSG with a contract of 2 years and 35 million salary with the add-ons, but of course. But let's see how his career goes on. So today we are going to see where if Paris will win the treble with Messi, Mbappe, Neymar, Wijnaldum, all these guys. Like, what is this team, man? It just feel like it's a cheat code, man. With the greatest players of all time in one team, with Messi and Ramos, the eternal rivals of all time, being the teammates, and wow, it's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's just purchase Messi from FC Barcelona. He's still in the team. He's not a free agent. We have to see how much we have to give to Barcelona for buying him. And yeah, 50 million. Yeah, 209. 209 million. It's, yeah, we can afford him, but let's see if we take like 165.5, will they accept it? I think they should. 187 600, yeah, fine, man, it's just fine. So we have Messi with us. We have to just get the contractual situation with PSG done. So guys, what do you think with PSG? With all, it's confirmed, man. It's just a rumor till now, but I think it's confirmed. All the greatest resources have confirmed it that Messi will join PSG. And what will be he wearing the number? Like, I've heard the news, he will be wearing like 10, and Neymar like asked him if he will give him this number 10, but I think Messi has declined him. But I've just saw a post of the PSG owner's brother of Messi's jersey 10. Let's see what he will do here. Contractual situation crucial, 3 years accepted, no release clause. Yeah, it's good for us. And 390k. Oh no, 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 no. With this game, man, 390k with 3.5 million bonus, 5 goals, and yeah, I take it, man. It's Messi. I generally just just avoid the goal bonuses and all that stuff. But yeah, it's Messi. We have to do it. So lads, here is he. Messi is in the team, and let's put him in the squad. Messi. Di Maria will be a substitute to Messi, and yeah, Sarabai will be a reserve player. Like, what a team! Just to see it, man. Just see it. What a team! Like Neymar, Mbappe, Messi, Eminem, Moriarty, Gue, Wijnaldum, Hakimi scored his first goal for PSG last night, man. He just had a dream debut. Ramos, Marquinhos, Bernardet, and Nevas. If Donnarumma, Kimpembe, Icardi, Di Maria, all these guys, man. Wow, it's just a cheat code in the career mode and the real life. I think so. I think they should win the treble. They should win the domestic treble. They should win each and every trophy this season. But it's football. Anything can happen. But with this team on paper and on the pitch too, they should do it. I've kept Marquinhos as captain, even though we have Ramos here, but the contribution of Marquinhos is much more valuable to PSG, hence I have not changed anything. So let's see how well the season go on. So the season has ended and let's see what were the results. Oh man, Messi just dropping by 1, Ramos by 2, and all around Mbappe, Neymar. It was a good overall boost for them. Let's just see, have we won it? Have we won the treble? Have we won the team? Yes, we have. Yes, we have, and it's not quite surprising though. It should be. It was a very much easy job for the team, to just bang on and win the League One. But the 27 wins, 7 draws, 4 losses. 4 losses. Wow, 4 losses. It's quite surprising. With the team we have got it, frankly, it's quite surprising for me. Let's see what else have we won here. Trophy champ. Yes, we won it. Our second trophy, Paris 4-0 as Monaco. Second trophy in the bank, Copa Nationale. Oh. Just an L for this Copa Nationale. 4-3 on penalties. 1-1-1, man. It's quite a sad thing. Let's just forget it. And Copa de Liga. Paris have lost in quarterfinals 5-4 on penalties. Again, we draw the match, but we will lose on penalties. Like, I don't know what's the problem. And let's just see, have we won the main thing? Have we won the Champions League? We should. Paris topping the group, 1 loss, 5 wins. Good. Round of 16, we had Inter and Paris aggregate 2-1. Barcelona not making through. Real Madrid is there. Oh, Dortmund losing Sevilla. Oh, Lazio, Chelsea losing it. Juventus in the match. Liverpool on away goals. Let's see what happens in the quarterfinals. Paris 4-2 Lazio. Who won it, man? Liverpool. 4-1 aggregate. Juventus just lost it. FC Bayern, Real Madrid. And yeah, let's see. Semi-finals. Oh, what's happening here? It was a glitch, might be. Liverpool, Real Madrid, Paris, Sevilla. We won it again. Have we done it? Have we done it? Yes! Yes, we have won on penalties. Oh my god, we won on penalties. Penalties have not been quite for us, or like we have lost two finals, quarterfinals, and a final on penalties. But yes, at last we have won the major trophy. We have the most important trophy in our bags, Champions League, and Messi has won it again in his debut season for PSG. With a team like this, it was very much expected. It was very much expected, and expectations have been fulfilled. We didn't win the domestic treble though, but who cares, man? It's Champions League. The dream of every PSG fan has been fulfilled, and yes, we have done it finally. Real Madrid, it was suffering for them. They don't have Varane, they don't have Ramos. Their defense was not quite as good as before. Let's just see the stats. Let's just see the stats. If you've not seen the stats, let's just see it of Liga 1. Who was the top scorer? And Messi. Messi was leading the top scorer with 19 goals in 34 matches. Again, the golden boot for the marksman. Neymar, just being with his friends, supporting him, 90 goals in 38 games. Both topping the top scorer. Mbappe, 17 goals and 35 games. Just wow. Wijnaldum again, 11 goals. Wow. Assist wise, whoa. We have the top three players. PSG, oh my god, they have just dominated in the league. Neymar with 12 assists, 38 games. Messi with 8 assists, 34 games. Wijnaldum 8 assists, 34, 38 matches. Clean sheet Navas just missed the Golden Glove, man. Just by one clean sheet, and yes, what a man. Yeah, let's see the other leagues and what we have done in here. UEFA Champions League top scorer. Oh my God, Neymar just carried the team. With 10 goals in 13 games. Whoa, 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 whoa. It was might be due to the Neymar. We have won the league. Where's Messi? Messi is not there, but he has done his job in League One matches. Assist wise, Wijnaldum again. Wijnaldum has been a great signing for us. Messi with 3 assists in 13 games. It was a good match for him. Again, Nevas, the team, man. The team has been just wow. They have won everything. And yeah, let's just see the personal stats. Goal wise, Neymar, Neymar, 33 goals, 16 assists in 60 appearances. It's like 49 goal contribution in 60 appearances. Just wow, man. Neymar had a greatest season, I think so. Messi with 56 appearances, he has done quite well with 25 goals and 13 assists. Just Messi doing his things. Mbappe, 57 appearances, 24 goals, 7 assists. With just Messi and Neymar being the front runners. But he still has done quite a great job. Wijnaldum has a great segment with 50 appearances, 17 goals and 13 assists from a central midfield position. Wow. Other goal contributions were of Di Maria not having a great season. And in terms of assist wise, we were doing good. Icardi, 22 appearances with 5 goals and 3 assists. Hakimi, 56 appearances, 5 goals and 3 assists. Wow, wow, wow. It was a great season, man. Where's Ramos? Ramos. I would like to see his clean sheets though. What? Where's Ramos? Ramos? Oh man, I just 12 clean sheets with 37 appearances, 2 goals, 1 assist. Donnarumma, did he play? Did Donnarumma play? I don't know. Did Donnarumma even play? Oh. He didn't play a single game, man. Single-handedly, Nevas was the man of the match of every match, and wow, he didn't play. Quite the sad thing for Donnarumma, but yeah, we have done it. And yeah, it's a great feeling. Messi just winning another trophy, PSG just winning its first Champions League. It's great, it's great. I've recently made a video on PSG where Ramos PSG and what would have been their season. If you would like to watch it, links will be in the description. It is quite a great video. You should watch it. And yeah, now let's just do a dream season for every Barcelona fan, for every football fan. With what if Messi would have not left Barcelona? With Messi, Depay, Griezmann, Aguero, just being in the same team. What would be the result of the final season? Just would they win the Champions League? Let's just find out with this dream season every fan was hoping of. And yeah, let's see the lineup. We have to first change the formation and all the good stuff. What would be the formation? I think the 4-4-3 attack is the current formation, right? But with Fati should not be there. Messi should not be the striker. LW Griezmann, I think Aguero would be a bench player for this season. But Depay was great in his match, in his debut matches in friendlies. I've seen just goals with 2 goals in his first match, and it's just wow, hoping great things he will do in Barcelona. But let's see with, I think this would be the lineup with Contijo. I don't know if he would be a cam in here. I don't think so. He should be or he should be. But what are the other players? Emerson, Roberto is there. I don't think Dest, Firpo. We'll just for the ratings we will keep Dest as a reserve player. Brain width man. Pjanic. What a team, Barcelona would have a great team with Messi, Griezmann, Alba, Longley. Dembele, at the reserves, Umtiti, Firpo, Emerson, Neto. Puig has a great match. Pedri also winning the silver medal in the Olympics. Congratulations to him, and I think Pedri will be the great. What Pedri will be a great addition to Barcelona's future generation. He's a great player and he would be a gem of a player. Like Pedri is a great player and hoping great things from him. Is it so? That's it. Fati. Does Fati? Have to put Fati on bench like somehow MTT. You don't. Firpo will be got out. Puig, Pjanic. We'll go by the ratings only. This is the team with Griezmann. What is Griezmann? He plays as striker, left wing, right wing. Griezmann at left, Depay at striker, and Messi. No, Pjanic, Umtiti subs. Busquets is the next captain of Barcelona. Congratulations to him, and I think he would be a great captain. He has always been a player maker. He has always been the silent leader of Barcelona every time, and I think he would be a great captain for this season. But let's see how well, with Messi being here for the last time. Let's just say he will be here for the last time for the last season, and how will Barcelona do? Will they finally win the Champions League with Messi? What do you guys think? Like it's a quite a sad question, but what do you think? Would have Messi won the Champions League with this year's squad? What do you guys think? Comment down. I think they had great chances with the additions, with the experience they got, with the young players like Pedri, Puig, and with the experience of Aguero, Messi. They had a great chance, but let's see how this season will goes on. So let's just see how the season gone. 63 match rating, manager rating 63. What the hell did happen here? I'm quite scared. 63. What were the result? Have we lost everything? Have we lost everything? What? 10th. And quite hilarious. Hazard won the May Player of the Month. 10th Barcelona. What the hell did happen? 15, 12 losses, 11 draws, 15 wins, 56 points. Whoa. The game is not good. What the hell, man? 10th? It's quite a surprise, and I think we have lost everything. But let's just check it. Super Copa. Oh man. Oh yes, we won it. Oh my god, I just saw the results and was like, oh, we won it. We won the Super Copa, the first trophy of Barcelona. But it's quite surprising. We're 10th in the league though. Copa de Espanol. Have we won it? Oh man, just lost by a margin. 2-1 Atletico Madrid. Oh my god. And it's the main trophy. The most important trophy in the European football, in the footballing world. Have we won the Champions League? Let's just see. We had Messi and Ronaldo in the same group with we not losing any matches. No, like I think have we just put all the efforts in the like Champions League and Copa de Espanol and Super Cup and all that stuff. Like in the league, it's quite surprising. And here we didn't have lost, not have lost once, and yeah, I'm quite fumbling, with the result like this. I'm quite shocked. With 5 wins, 1 draws, let's see. Oh man, Juventus were with us. Paris 5-2, Dortmund aggregate, Chelsea, Inter. Okay, we have Man OM with FC Barcelona 3-1 on aggregate. Good. Let's just see quarterfinals. Oh, it was El Clasico quarterfinals with Barcelona winning on away goals. Real Madrid in the last, how do you say it? In the last, when we were controlling PSG, Madrid were losing. It is a fact that they have lost their defense. They don't have the much attacking power, and it's quite a sad thing for them. But yeah, we have won the quarterfinals. Let's see Paris again. Yeah, Paris in the semi-finals. Manchester City, quite a expected group. Inter, FC Bayern have lost in Inter in the group. Let's see semi-finals. Whoa. 4-2. Oh my god. FC Barcelona are in the finals. Seriously, I can guarantee they have put all their efforts in the Champions League. They have not put any efforts in the La Liga, hence the result we have seen. And Paris and FC Barcelona in the finals. How will the match pan out? Will Barcelona get their revenge? Will Barcelona get their revenge? Let's just hope so. Let's just see. Will they? And yes, they have won the Champions League for the fifth time. Messi has won his fifth Champions League trophy. And it was just such a close match with FC Barcelona 2-1. And yes, we didn't win the La Liga, but overall, excluding La Liga, it was quite a great campaign for FC Barcelona. But still, 10th place, quite sad. But no worries, FC Barcelona has won the UEFA Champions League trophy. Yes. Wow, let's just see what were the records of each player. Depay 85, Messi. No, it's quite surprising. Let's just see who carried the team. Wow, Griezmann, Messi, Depay. The top 3 players of our team. We have carried the team. Name Griezmann with 56 appearances, 19 goals, 5 assists. It's not quite surprising. Let's see what he did in La Liga Santander. Oh, it was a good match for him. 34 appearances, 12 goals. Let's see Messi. 15 appearances, 19 goals, 15 assists. Quite a good performance, like balancing the ratio of goals and assists. Oh, La Liga Santander 11. It was a great season for La Liga Santander. La Liga Santander, overall a great season. Feature La Liga Santander 27 appearances, 11 goals, 8 assists. Great season. UEFA Champions League 13 appearances, 5 goals, 4 assists. Where did we lost, man? Depay had an okay season. No, Contijo contributed well. Frankie de Jong very well. Brindwood, the goat, has 14 appearances and 5 goals. Good. Ansu Fati 10 appearances, 3 goals. It was quite a great season. I don't understand where we did wrong. For us being in the 10th place, I don't understand how. Let's see the standings. Eden Hazard. Wow, it only happens in FIFA. 20 goals, 33 matches, the top scorer of La Liga. It's such a surprising thing. Dembele has gone to Atletico Madrid. Where's Benzema? Where's Messi? Oh my god. Hazard winning the player of the month, winning the golden boot, top assist in La Liga. What the hell, when he has the greatest season in Real Madrid jersey. Whoa. 9 assists in 33 matches. Jan Oblak, just like. Whoa. And Messi was there, I think so. Messi with 8 assists in 27 games, and wow. Hazard had a great season, I can say that for sure. But yeah, we have won the Champions League. We have won everything, but unfortunately, we will be missing the next season's Champions League, the Europa League. It's quite a shock, but for this season, I would like to say it's not a L or a W just because of the 10th position. Even though we have won La Liga, even though we have won the UEFA Champions League, but yeah, it's over. Messi's season at Barcelona, Messi winning his fifth trophy, Depay, Griezmann, just wow, it's end of an era. What can I say? I just wish Messi the best. And yeah, let's see how will PSG do this year, and it would be quite interesting to see how Barcelona will face these situations and all the black pressures from the fans. And I don't know what to say, man. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment down on your video ideas. So what should we do again? Stay happy, stay healthy.